Welcome to our channel, your go-to place for discovering the latest and most innovative products designed to make your life easier and healthier. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen gadget that will change the way you blend on the go. Stay tuned to find out how this portable USB rechargeable blender and juicer can revolutionize your daily routine. Hey everyone! Curious why everyone's switching to the portable blender and juicer, easy to clean, the USB rechargeable device? Here's why it's a must-have. First, its USB charging feature means no more trips to the store for batteries. Just plug it into any USB port. Secondly, it's super convenient for on-the-go use. Charge it anywhere, anytime. Lastly, it's better for the environment. Ditch those disposables and reduce waste. Ready to make the switch? Get your portable blender and juicer easy to clean today and enjoy the ease and eco-friendliness it brings to your life. If you're ready to enjoy fresh drinks wherever life takes you, hit the subscribe button, like this video.